Yeah, what's up? You're now rocking with the best, Ty Killer, Underworld Mix Show. You know what it is. Checking back in, Atlanta, Georgia, Saturday, August 15, 2009. Dub Car Show Tour is in the building. So I'm just getting through, and we're coming through right now. I think we're gonna make the first stop on the tour. I see some Dub reps up in the house, so let's head over to the booth and see what we got going on, see if we can catch anybody with some free time. What's going on, ladies? How y'all doing?
Good. We're good. How y'all?
Good, good. This is Ty Killer. I'm with Underworld Entertainment and the Underworld Mix Show internet radio station. I'm gonna let you sexy ladies introduce yourself to everybody out there.
I'm Dana.
I'm Jasmine. I'm Leah.
That's what's up. And why don't y'all just tell everybody, you know, exactly what it is you do for or with Dub and how y'all part of them.
We're upgrading tickets to VIP status in and out.
Same thing. Survey. Walking around harassing people, you know, the usual.
We're the harassers.
That's what's up. So that's pretty much your job. I see y'all like first in line coming in through the tour. So y'all kind of the first people, you know what I'm saying, that people get a chance to see. So, you know, pretty faces definitely don't help that. And y'all just out here just making it happen. That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Any shout outs, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get out of here. Just want to stop over. You know, we got a long day inside. So I don't know if there's anybody y'all wanted to shout out, even if it's just Dub. You know what I'm saying? Alright, ladies said no shout out. Alright, well there you have it. Ty Killer, lovely ladies with Dub Car Show Tour. Peace.
I know you see me, little mama. You know I'm looking fresh. Riding up in them caprices. Candy on the Corvette. I stay on top of my paper. So play it, cut the check. They got no choice but to hate us because we do it real big. We riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, first top open. We riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, first top open. Take a look at how I ride, I'm fly as shit. My bass beating 410s like a bunch of bad kids. No love for them bastards. I'm turning it up and let the woofers rattle around inside of my truck. I'm riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, vert top open. Cameras flash, I'm posing as I slide by with a pretty young thing on my passenger side. Baby, it's the light. Couple carats on my wrist. Bet you never roll with a player like this. Chucking deuces, I keep it moving while them haters just stare. And watch the fresh Atlanta breeze blow right through her hair. I know you see me, little mama. You know I'm looking fresh. Riding up in them caprices. Candy on the Corvette. I stay on top of my paper. So play it, cut the check. They got no choice but to hate us because we do it real big. We riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, first top open. We riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, first top open. I come through sitting real big, riding real slow. The center of attention, I'm putting on a show. See, it ain't got a reason but too many to count. So clean from head to toe every time I step out. My watch shining, my sneakers new, my haircut, that's how I do. Tying that deuce is super cool, I show and prove. So all these amateurs study the way I move. My seat back, my system loud, I'm on the scene, about to turn it out. While word of mouth, I am a ghetto celeb. Stacking paper and making moves, just wait to see what's next. I know you see me, little mama. You know I'm looking fresh. Riding up in them caprices. Candy on the Corvette. I stay on top of my paper. So play it, cut the check. They got no choice but to hate us because we do it real big. We riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, first top open. We riding, rolling, coasting. 24's candy, first top open. You see the bright Georgia sun shining on my paint. That candy steady dripping. I'm switching lane to lane. Got no complaints, too busy doing my thing. My future is so bright, like it's competing with my change. Competing with my change, man, I've been lost count. The banks can't handle me, I got cash flooding my house. So I splurge every day, in and out the mall. They think I'm selling, yeah, I tell them they're not at all. I'm a full-time hustler, full-time grinder. I'm working overtime, what volume will you can find them? Chopping through your streets, 24's on my feet. My candy paint glisten, y'all haters know who it be. I know you see me, little mama. You know I'm looking fresh. Riding up in them caprices. Candy on the Corvette.
at the Dub Car Show Tour. And it's only fitting that we sign off with the sexy ladies from DTLR. Say what's up, ladies.
Hi, what's up?
Good, good. And as we stand here with the sexy ladies in front of the hot whip, you know what I'm saying? Let the ladies show on it, doing it real big. Hey, ladies, why don't you tell them a little bit about DTLR and what y'all got going on right now?
Right now, DTLR has a couple of contests going on. You know, giving away gift certificates, giving away a free pair of Nikes. Okay, we do a drawing at the end of the day, and pick if we can win the pair of shoes, whatever.
That's what's up. And I mean, there's so many DTLR locations around the A. I know they expanded in other cities. Anything else you got going on, sweetie, right now?
Nope, that's about it. So you can follow me on Twitter.
There you go.
Twitter.com.
Okay.
Alexis loves me. ALEXIS loves me.
Alright, and you?
Yeah, Misha Lachey. Check me out. MySpace.com/ENU_NUX64. Misha Lachey. Check me out.
Alright, that's what's up. So we appreciate it. Gotta shout out DTLR. Once again, Dub Car Show Tour. Ty Killer, DTLR General, Ty Killer, Underworld Entertainment, Underworld Mix Show. You know what it is. Yo, official Dub Car Show Tour. Yo, gotta shout out my man Carmelo Anthony. You know what I'm saying? Holding it down. Got his own entertainment company and label popping off. So guess what? I got one of the artists from the label. Say what's up to my nigga Diego Cash.
You know what it is, Diego Cash, crossover ENT, East Side Atlanta representing Block ENT, you feel me? Me and Cassidy got the crossover shit going. Just in here doing what we do, we gonna party big tonight with my man and shit. My man Block got the big Donkosaurus over there, 100,000 in that motherfucker, you gotta go check that out. So just doing what we do, you know what I'm saying? My man Zoe about to perform, and you know what I mean? Just do what we do.
That's what's up, and give him the contact information. Say come and check out some music.
Check me out on the crossoverent.com or the Twitter is at Diego Cash. MySpace, Berg19. MySpace.com/Berg19. Crossover and T got everything, all the links for whatever you need. Holla at your boy.
Alright, so there it is once again. Diego Cash, Crossover Entertainment, Underworld Entertainment. You know what it is. Bam. So let's make it official. Yo, it was a great day. You know what I'm saying? Underworld Entertainment. Once again, shouting out Invest in Black Records. My man H. Tillery. Yo, it's official, baby. Atlanta, it was a strong look. Once again, got a shout out. You know what I'm saying? And let's make sure we get some love in. You know, my man Miles, yo, good looking. You know what I'm saying? My man Miles, my man John Ramos from Dub Magazine. Yo, the tour was great. You know what I'm saying? We had to check out early because we had some prior engagements. But, I mean, yo, they had the hot whips in there. Everything that Dub is doing, we support, man. I mean, they had the vendors in there. I mean, a lot of major players, you know what I'm saying? Performers, businesses came out to support it. So, I mean, it's a strong look. So we definitely support Dub. You know, once again, Miles, John R., Underworld Entertainment, Ty Killer. You're now rocking with the best. You know what it is. Yo, part 1, Day in the Life with Underworld. Let's go.